lang question ko, parang, how does it feel na finally, parang after some time na parang medyo minsan hindi okay, minsan okay. Ngayon na mas parang tuloy-tuloy na ba yung pagiging okay niyo ng mom mo?
Ng mom
Ng mom mo, oo. Na mas nakakapag-bonding kayo.
I'd rather, not talk about it until may masasabi talaga akong concrete and solid, But I can say that we're getting there. We're not in bad terms naman. And we're fixing things.
Working on your
Working on it, yes.
And nagkakasama kayo kapag may mga occasion sa family.
Nagkakasama pa rin. Nagkakasama pa rin, yeah.
And with your dad?
I'm good with my dad. I'm super okay. We're exploring our newfound relationship. Kasi nga, now that I'm older, mas nakikilala ko talaga siya.
Mas saan kayo nagkakasundo ni dad mo? Ano yung sinunod-jive kayo or saan kayo nag-enjoy ni dad?
Yung dad ko kasi, grabe siya, musician talaga siya. So, nag-enjoy kami to spend time with each other listening to music. Sometimes he shows me, I'm writing this for you. So, ayun, pinaparinig niya sa akin yung mga... Tapos yung mga songs ko sa album, pinapakinig ko sa kanya. He's gonna tell me his comment din. Basta, I'm enjoying now my relationship.
Pero ikaw, kapag once may pinagdadaanan ka sa life, paano ko kayo ng-comfort na dad mo kapag meron kang problem?
Ng dad ko?
Kapag may problem ka pinagdadaanan, paano ko comfort ni dad and then yung mom mo?
And your mom also?
My mom, ever since, kahit meron kaming mga misunderstandings, when it comes to my feelings, when it comes to alam niyang nasasaktan ako, she's always there for me. Siya yung unang-unang magte-text na parang, are you okay? We can, if you want, you can come here, we can just hang out, ganyan. That's a side of her siguro na hindi nakita ng mga tao. She's a mom talaga. Yeah. Yung dad ko naman, comfort ko din siya kapag meron akong pinagdadaanan, I run to him, then yung vibe naman ng dad ko, very gentle kasi siya, so he's very comforting. When I'm with him, okay na, tatlo na rin.
And nakita ko, nagkaroon pa kayo ng chance na last year ata yun na sa isang gig niya, sumama ka, di ba?
Yes.
Kailan kayo nag-start na mas madalas yung communication nito? Last year lang din?
Mag-bond?
Oo.
It started New Year last year.
At tapos tumuloy-tuloy na. So family muna ang
Yes, family first and
personal. Do you live on your own ba?
yes.
Kumusta yung living independently?
Okay naman.
Ikaw nag-aasik, do you personally parang fix things sa house or paano yun?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo, at first it was hard, but I'm learning. Like I said, it's a constant process of learning. Marami ako natututunan talaga now. Adulting, how to live life. Siyempre, bills, everything. I'm learning a lot about how to really be an adult. So, yan, nakakatuwa. Mahirap siya, pero it's very empowering kasi nararamdaman ko na kaya ko naman.
Tapos anong favorite part mo na dun sa house ba or condo? Yung
Sa house, yeah.
House. Anong favorite part mo sa house na kapag nagsistay ka kapag wala kang work?
Just in my room. Hindi ako maalis ng kama. Unless mag-gym ako, pero more of a house person talaga ako.
Like you watch movies, ganyan?
I watch movies, I listen to music.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you!